Bill from InTouch. I'm going to show you how to add a user to your Google Analytics account so you don't have to give them your password and email in order to log in to view the information in there. You can simply add them as a user. So once you've logged into your Analytics account, on the left-hand side, go to the very bottom and click on Admin. Now you can use any one of these options to add a user into the system. Preferably using the account version because this will do something for you later on, because you can't actually delete them if you're not in this section. So once you're in the upper right corner, you're going to click on the plus sign and we're going to add permissions to new users. Here we're going to enter an email address. Now it must be associated with a Google account. If the email address is not associated with a Google account, you will not be able to add them. You will see that this turns to red instead of gray to show that they are associated. So make sure that they have a Google account, whoever you're trying to add into the system, otherwise it won't work. So we're going to add a user in here. And then you'll see it pop gray, and then do we want to notify this user by email? You can click yes if you want to. In this particular case, I'm going to turn it off. And now we're going to choose what kind of permissions or privileges we're going to give this person. So you can choose whether you want to give them edit, collaborate, or just read and analyze. If you want to give them all of them, just click on the edit button. You'll see the other versions slide over. If you don't and you only want to give them collaborative and read, just choose the next option, just turn edit off. And then if you'd only want to give them read and analyze, take off the first two and the last one will appear. In this case, we'll give them all of them. You can now choose whether or not you want to give them the ability to manage users within your system. Since you're adding someone else, if it's a marketing company or some other third-party user that needs access, you don't want to give them manage user access, so keep that turned off. Once they're in there, go ahead and just click Add in the upper right corner, and now you've got two people in there. Now, let's say at a later date, you decide that I no longer want to give them access. If you come into the property section of Google Analytics and try to choose this person, you'll see that we've got nowhere to actually delete them. That's because you need to be under the account section of user management. So when you click on user management under that particular column, if you now select this and then say, okay, I only want to delete this person, we now have a remove button in the upper right corner. So go ahead and just click remove, and it'll ask you to confirm it. Yes, yes. And now you're back to the original people that you only want to have on the account. So it's a simple way to add and move users and keep track of whatever they're actually able to see within your account. Hopefully that helps.